The Mountain Hardwear Mineral King 3 is one of the most versatile tents in our lineup, simple to pitch and easy to pack. This tent weighs only 7.1 pounds, though that weight saving comes at a price. With only 42.5 square feet of floor space and a mere 4 feet of headroom, this tent is on the small side. That said, the dual vestibules nearly double the space, adding an additional 37.5 square feet of storage. And with the fly rolled up, the almost 100% mesh tent allows for amazing views and wonderful stargazing. You will need to supply 2 of your own stakes to use the included guidelines, but a footprint is included, so we can call that a wash. Tant Sports Celsius XL Sleeping Bag. When you need a great sleeping bag to come back to after a long day on the trail, choose the Celsius XL Sleeping Bag by tant Sports. This 3-4-season sleeping bag was built to last a lifetime. It's filled with innovative fiber fill that keeps you warm and is rated to below freezing temperatures. The mummy-style hood can cinch in around your head for additional warmth and keeps your pillow clean. It is washable by hand only and can be zipped together with another bag. However, there are no straps to attach the camp pad to the sleeping bag. In terms of size, the XL is appropriate for individuals of average height, but the XXL option is recommended for individuals over 5 feet 4.